Welcome to our first grand tour.
Is that you?
Yes.
Ooh. That makes that me. In that Francis.
Whoa.
What rowing position are you going for?
Missionary, I guess.
That's Jensen Button.
Hey, I like, yes. Ren, stop! Keep it tight, Thomas! 2,031 brake horsepower.
Oh my god.
3, 2, 1. Absolute hellfire! Where's the jet? Holy shit! Do you think he's gonna be okay?
No. All right, start pulling. James, keep tension.
I'm tense as hell.